working on an ice dye. It's going to be an eyeball one, and I have my dyes mixed with my soda ash already pre-mixed. I have this old planner, sewed up the holes on the bottom, put my shirt down on there, and now I'm just laying down the dye different colors on each section, and then I'll lay the ice on top. It's already been pre-soaked soda ash, the shirt. It's ready to go. The eyeball. So there you have it. I laid down the dye. I used this little spoon, teaspoon. The colors we used today was actually Raven Black, Palamingo Gold, Turquoise Blue, Fuchsia Red, Emerald Green, and Lemon Yellow. We laid them down accordingly so when they mix together to make other colors, we laid down the yellow to the red, so hopefully we'll get orange. We laid the red to the blue to get the purple. Right there, I particularly left that open with no dye. It's like the eyelid part of the eye. We're going to let it sit in the muck and just see what color it's going to change to. So right now I'm just going to add a little bit more soda ash to the top, just because it's going to be in the muck. And we just want to strengthen up the soda ash. The dye already has soda ash into it, but it don't help to put a little bit more. I'll go get the ice, lay down the ice on here, and we'll check it out in a few days. Ice tie-dye in the muck. Here I laid down the ice. I put some big ice cubes and some little ice cubes. Wait till these melt down. See how much muck we got in there. We want to at least get it pretty much 3/4 of the way sitting in the muck so it can soak good. This is laying down of the ice. 2 hours later. Here's the back. This line in here, right here, almost makes it look 3D-ish. As I back off, look like it's creased up. If you look at it pretty close, you can actually see a smiley face. The eyes, the nose, the mouth. Ice tie-dye. Using prime colors. Yellow, red, and blue.